morning, so we're bound for Pohang. Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha, here we come. Arte. Just landed in Pohang.
Landed?
Landed? Ano ba to eh? Landed, yung paa, nagland. So, the weather is so nice. It's so cold.
Chilly.
It's chilly. Kung papansin nyo guys, konti na lang yung mga daan gamit namin because we left the main luggage sa Seoul Station. Utakan lang to. Utakan lang to guys.
내게로 와서 melt my heart 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼 Don't know what to say You are just like one spring day 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져 Something in my heart 이 맘 전하고 싶어 Then you ring my valentine
Nandito na kami sa Wolf Beach. Sobrang scary lang nung Not really scary kasi parang baka biglang may mga zombie lumabas dyan. Ubusan pala. So, eto ang ating mga pupunta. Herna Valerie. Ayan, para feeling ko, tumbukin lang natin yung yung pinaka beach side. Tapos dire-diretso na yun. Kasi papunta kami ngayon sa ibang filming location pa rin ng Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. Talaga nga namang sinugid namin itong lugar na to kaya hindi namin alam. Ang lang dito guys, it's super hard to like commute kasi yung bus schedule medyo matagal. Isang way kasi. Parang like, hindi ka mukha ng parang nasa city ka, like maraming biyahe. Ito parang kailangan mong tansyahin yung schedule nung
Isang line lang yung bus niya.
Oh, yun. Hindi makapagsalita ng maayos. So yun, ngayon it's 12 na, we're like so starving na. Char. Ano dyan? O dito? Shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, tig 20 na lang. Parang ganun yung peg niya. This is so very like countryside of Korea. And we're loving it. We're loving the vibe. We're loving the feels. Hello! 감사합니다! Eat? Ay, char. Sige, ikaw.
지금 안 돼. 지금 배달.
Bakit daw?
Mag-deliver na daw.
Ay,
저거까지.
uso talaga nag-deliver ng food dito. Welcome to LU! So right now, naghahanap kami ng makakainan. Kasi yung kanina sayang, magde-deliver daw sila. Guys, dito na lang kayo mag-eat. Sana naman may makainan dito. Pero ayoko namang fresh-fresh ha.
Ay, medyo mahal nga lang.
Ano? Ayan, tong katsu, 10,000.
Ayun pala. Ay, maraming gusto ko nito. Bukso.
Yan, bukso.
Gusto ko din ng John Bokjo. Kaso nakatikit na ako na. Dun sa buffet.
Okay. Kaka-stress naman dito, hindi daw open. Anong ginagawa niyo pa dito kung di kayo mag-open? Yeah, so we are looking for a place to eat now.
아직 아니야.
지금 여기 다 안 열었을 텐데. 저기
왜요? 자연산 횟집? 점심시간인데?
점심시간인데
여기는 안 열었고 저기 자연산 횟집 아마 열었을 거예요. 안 열었으면은 여기 코너에서
이거
랩
스티프
So finally guys, meron na tumanggap sa amin na restaurant here nearby the beach. Kasi nga, most of the restaurants here, they're closed during lunch kasi yung mga owners, they usually go to places and deliver food. So yeah, kanina akala namin magna-nice to see you na naman kami. Pero at least ngayon, nakakakain kami ng kanin at lutong pagkain by the Koreans. Samira, oh my gosh guys, look at the side dishes here. Anong Wuhan virus? Charot. Guys, look at the side dishes. They look so good. Char. 감사합니다. Pakita ko pa sa inyo paano kumain. 감사합니다. We're done na kumain, guys. We're so full. We're so full.
You make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 With you by my side 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳 I can see you through a little far away
So we're still here in the station and wala pa ring bus na dumadaan.
Can we just live here and stay like this?
Di wala talagang tao. Kaya na-understand na namin na kaya pala wala masyadong mga bus trip. Kasi nga, wala nang masyadong tao dito. Tapos, tinatry namin makihitch, maging hitchhiker. Hitchhiker may tawag ito eh. Yung iba ayaw mag-sakay. Basta, hala, opa yung ano guys, opa yung, 안녕하세요.
이게 버스는 나는 연락요. 잠시만요.
잠시만요. 안녕하세요.
이 버스는 정진들이 정하면 갔는데요.
네, 맞습니다.
감사합니다. 여기는 오빠 naman yan.
나 정리.
정리. Guys, it's so beautiful here. It is so. Another location ng hometown Chichacho. Amoy tae. Baguio yarn. Grabe hike na naman ito.
내게로 가서 melt your heart 조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래 동화 속에서만 보던 Just like shining star 서로 바라보는 이곳 I will always by your side
Guys, sadly, the cafe is closed every Wednesday. So, wala. Hindi kami nakapasok dun sa cafe. But it's okay. We'll be back na sa Pohang Station and then dun na kami hanap ng bus pa Busan because tonight, dun na kami mag-overnight. So, see you there, guys. Char. Feeling namin nasa K-drama talaga kami. Yung feels, sobrang oh my gosh. Di ba sis? Parang kala mo,
Yes.
parang kung ikaw yung nanonood, parang, ay, parang andun ako. Nagigets niyo ba ako, guys, or no? Type yes down below kung naintindihan niyo. Charis. So, we're here na, guys, sa bus. Grabe yung pinagdaanan. So, kanina, galing kami dun sa lugar kung saan yung shooting location ng hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. And nabanggit nga namin na sobrang para siyang ghost town. Akala namin buong lugar ng Pohang is like that, pero hindi pala, we were wrong. Kanina biyahe namin from Pohang Station papunta dito sa Post Intercity Station. Doon namin nakita na parang okay, para naman pala siyang Seoul. Parang may mga lugar na parang Seoul, something like that. So right now, nandito kami sa Interbus City going to Busan. Kasi dito na kami manggagaling on 31 babalik ng Incheon. Ito pa lang yung tao sa bus. And we just bought the tickets na here. Hindi na kami bumili or hindi na kami nag-KTX kasi parang the same lang naman yung travel period. Pero sobrang magkaiba yung price.
Parang ano,
Mahal kasi itong bus namin is nasa 13,400 won lang.
saan?
Pero kung
Or
if you're
600.
gonna book it online sa KTX, it'll cost you like mga 45,000
Oo,
won.
tsaka parang 500
Something
to 600
like that.
pesos.
So, super good idea na. And parang yung biyahe lang naman here is, aalis na kami. Kami lang yung pasahero. So, tapos yung biyahe naman dito every hour daw or every 30 minutes. So, sana makarating kami doon ng mas maaga sa Airbnb sa Busan so that we can rest early. And then, dinner na lang kami lalabas. Tomorrow, Busan Day until 31. So, have a safe trip, guys. safe trip sa amin.
Sis, tayo lang dalawa sa...
Kami lang dalawa, guys. Tignan nyo naman. Tapos, ang comfy pa kasi, like, look, may ano. Guys, nagchinelas na nga pala ako. so,
So, wide yung leg ko.
yeah, may legroom. Gusto ko magtapak. Tapos, i-recline natin. Hanggang ganyan lang siya. And that's
Good night.
Good night. Bye. Good morning. Ay, good morning. Good morning tuloy. Kakagising ko lang kasi, sorry. We just got off the bus and we're here at Busan, Intercity. Busan Central Bus Terminal. Grabe. Utas ang badik. On the way kami sa aming, kaya makakausap naman din, no? On the way na kami sa Airbnb kasi parang sobrang tricky kasi ng mga girl, how about their bus, train, baka din banda. So mamaya punta na kami dun, guys. Bye bye. We're here na in Busan. Okay guys, room tour for our second home here in Korea, the Busan. Here in Staymido. Wow! Yes, it's so static, girl. I mean, like, we would love to stay here like for like a couple more days, but we'll be staying lang here for like 2 nights. It's cute. 10,000 nga. Totoo?
맛있어요.
이거 다?
Wow, 10,000 won. How much is that? Parang 300 pesos? Ay,
400.
girl, it's fine. Do you want to buy other fruits like?
네?
딸기가 이제 없다고.
딸기? 굿? 무슨 굿이요?
이제 안 나온다고 내년에.
Ah, 네.
Ano daw?
Sabi na next year nalakan ulit din.
Ayan, let's buy.
딸기 season. 딸기 개점. Good. Oh,
이거 이제 오는데
Piste tong Jillian. Piste tong Jillian na to.
2개만 원? At baka na 10,000.
Ayan. Pag video, it should be night mode. Let's eat, girl. Good morning, guys. O, dito na nag-intro. So, we're here na in Busan, Ability. It's currently like
10:03.
10:03 and we're off to breakfast. We're going to this roastery. So,
breakfast yung naging ano
yeah, pero dito na kami around sa Haeundae Beach. Para dito na kami mag-keme-keme until mamaya. No, we arrived here yesterday. And then, we only have like 1 day today, a full day. And then tomorrow we'll be leaving Busan, going to Incheon, flight back home. So, yeah.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute,
Kung kaya itong
another
ako nito,
minute.
5 seconds. Go, 1,
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
It's corn dog break before we go to the... Ay, ano ba yung bubuyog? So, nag-book na kami, guys, ng train going to Cheongsang po. And it's like one-way ride. It's 7K ride. Ito ang mahal. Pero it's a train, yung train na may view yun, di ba? Okay, so yun na nga, 11:30 tas 11. Tapos bumili pa kaming corn dog. Ate, baka bilisan, malilate kami. Ginawa yung nagtitinda. Ayun na, guys. There it is. The corn dog. Corn dog me. Ay, hindi pa na sa atin.
누구세요?
Sino ka mo? Corn dog. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. hindi to bola. Aya.
when we take our time to make love. Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no.
Their coffee shop. Para makakuha ng magandang view. Pool, te, pool. Wow. Ocean, ah. Dito ba yung ano yung view? Ano kasi, wow.
Always in the slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Ano ba to? Wait. Ang hirap, guys. Wait na. Wait. Ay! 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 Ah! Aray! Oma!
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this
안녕하세요. ay, party party. Yes, guys, we're here on the beach. It's so nice. And change outfit na pala kami, guys. Change outfit. Sino ginagawa mo dyan? We made it to the beach. Kaso, puno na oil.
You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up.
Dinner. Dinner for two. Okay, so we're done with the dinner, and as you can see kanina nga, we ate like sabaw. Kamsahamnida. So right now natin kung sa mega coffee. But this time, we're not drinking, we're not ordering coffee. We're ordering tea. Honey citron tea, to be exact, dahil medyo iba na yung nararamdaman namin. Medyo may halo na yung mga nararamdaman namin. Siguro dahil sa lamig, sa pagod din and everything. Sabi ko nga kay Jill, parang, oh my gosh, first time kong mag-no sa kape. Not really no, para mag-pass. Kasi usually every after namin kumain nito, magkakape kami. At this time, sabi ko, sige, mag-mega coffee tayo, pero ang orderin natin ay citron tea. Sarap. Aray, kamsamnida. Kamsamnida, hindi ito bola.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, guys. We just had our breakfast and we had a great coffee. Ang sarap ng kape nila, guys. If hindi lang masakit yung lalamunan ko, take out ako ng vanilla latte. But yeah, since we still have a lot of time, we're here na in the Busan station and we're waiting for our departure time. Actually, on the ticket, it says there na 10:40 yung aming departure time and we will arrive in Seoul ng mga 3 o'clock. So, we have like a 5-hour biyahe. And bumili na din kami ng mga babaunin kasi ang mga bayot ayaw magutom. Bumili na din kasi kami ng aming lunch para at least we can eat on board. A lot of people are here waiting. 10 o'clock. Ayun na, may 10 o'clock na nakalabas. So we'll see you in Seoul, guys. And pagdating namin ng 3 o'clock, ang flight namin pabalik ng Manila ng Clark is 9 p.m. So siguro we can still stay in Seoul until mga 5 p.m. now we're here in the airport. Somehow I feel better. Actually, itong araw na to is more of like biyahe. Kanina pagising ko nga, I told Jill na parang I'm not feeling well and all this stuff.
Until now.
Like, yeah, parang I know that I have tonsillitis, so nabumili pa kami ng gamot and everything. Kasi nakakapa ko medyo, parang may mga nodules ako dito. Hanggang sa magmula kanina, I was like sleeping the whole time sa biyahe. So, wala akong pakialam, like I was just sleeping.
Like,
Hindi ako
literally anywhere.
literally anywhere, kahit saan mo ko ihiga dyan, I will sleep. Because I feel like my body needs sleep. My body needs rest. So, ayun, siguro nagbaon lang din kami ng food kanina and we ate somewhere, ganyan. Eh, hindi nga ako masyadong makakain kasi nga, meron akong tonsillitis. So, now we're here na in the airport. We're now boarding. And it's been like, what a journey. I mean, like, what a trip. What a Korea trip it has been. I can say na chill siya, pero nakakapagod din pala. I don't know, siguro lang magkasunod lang yung trip ko. Japan last month and Korea this month. So parang feeling ko, na-drain ako bigla. But it was really like all good and it was fun. We met a lot of friends, we met family. Actually, sabi ko nga, we did not have like any written itinerary. It's just that kung ano ma-feel namin puntahan for the day, ganun lang siya. And we don't have like a written itinerary. And which is good kasi sobrang na-enjoy namin yung ganung chill na vibe. Sabi ko din sa sarili ko before, when I go back to Korea, I wanted to like super slow trip. Which is nga nangyari, slow days. Slow days talaga. So, yun, I really had fun. This is like, grabe, like hindi talaga ako nag-vlog kanina. I was like taking videos lang sa phone, but I really did not like talk and everything. Kasi nga, I don't have like the energy and the courage to like speak. Kasi, oh my gosh, like sobrang sakit ng pakiramdam ko kanina. And thank God, I'm feeling okay na kasi uminom ako ng mga citron tea, uminom ako ng Digestic, I have like paracetamol here. I asked my coach what to drink and what to do. Jill, dito ka. So we're ending this trip with a grateful heart.
Yes!
And it's her first long trip, right?
With you.
Yeah, kasi we had a trip last year.
It's not my first though.
Sa Ho Chi Minh.
First trip with you.
No, I mean like first long trip. Like
No.
9 days.
Yung Singapore ko, 9 days din.
Okay, so she went Singapore 9 days.
I
Ang
had
dami talaga.
fun.
Ang dami talaga nangyari from our luggages, from ganito.
Luggage, hindi no. Even
Oh my gosh, I really
the
cannot
moment,
speak about that.
Basta
from our luggages, to our check-in things, to our hand carries, we really cannot like figure out kanina parang ano ililipat mo, ano we
Departure
even
to
guys,
departure.
from Busan, we even left some clothes there. Kasi nga, hindi na namin, as in sobrang sapak na yung mga malet namin, sobrang puno na. They're now calling us and we're now boarding, so we'll see you next trip.